Hi everyone, Laura Graff from Webster's Pages. I'm here at Scrapbook.com to show you our newest addition to the Webster's family. This is our standard traveler's notebook that you all are used to. It comes with the 4 bands inside so that you can add lots of notebooks to do your journaling and scrapbooking and calendar and note-taking and all sorts of fun stuff. Well, we have something that we're super excited about. We want to introduce you to the new little sibling of the Traveler's Notebook family. Look at how cute! We have so many designs and so many new textures that are out, and Scrapbook.com has them available right now. This is the buffalo plaid, and we've got some new textures like the suede. It's faux suede. This is the pink stripe. So cute. It has all the stitching on each stripe. We've got the blush pink, the black floral. This is a metallic honeycomb, which is so beautiful. The soft lilac suede and the aspen green suede and the mustard suede. All of them available now. They come in 7 different colors and textures. And each one comes inside of a darling little Webster's Pages box. So it feels a little boutique-ish, like you're getting a nice little gift. So when you open it up, we've got our standard vellum hello. Each pocket size traveler's notebook comes standard with a craft blank page notebook inside with the 4 bands and lots of great pockets. You've got the 2x2 pocket window, a pocket here and a pocket here, and then in the back you've got more pockets as well with the beautiful stitching. So you've got lots of room for all of your goodies. Each pocket traveler's notebook comes standard with a notebook inside, and we are super excited about this collection and we cannot wait for you to try them out. Also, we have the new pocket size traveler's notebook inserts. So we've got a variety of different kinds that you can choose from. 2 come in a package, and some come with the lined inside and some come blank. So each package comes with 2 different notebooks, 2 different styles, and they are all available right now at Scrapbook.com as well. This is the mustard suede pocket TN, and I have used mine to document and scrapbook inside. My daughter, she is graduating this year, so I wanted to do a book dedicated to her that has her beautiful photos that she just got done with some journaling and some ephemera and stickers. All of these papers are from the Webster's Pages Happy Place and the Good Life collections, which is available at Scrapbook.com. So I've got one little notebook in here that is all kind of scrapbooking, journaling for my daughter. And then I've got over here, since I'm working on this still, I've got my own little notebook that has journaling with tabs with some of my goals and things that I want to remind myself of daily, and some of my favorite quotes. And then I've also got my printed calendar with my habit tracker and things that I need to keep track of for the month of April, leading out to the rest of the month. And then I've also over here created and made my own little file folder out of the paper. There's a template that you can get online, and inside I've just added some extra pictures and things while I'm working on my journaling scrapbook notebook over here. So I'm going to finish one of the pages in here and show you how it's done. Today I am using the My Happy Place 8x8 paper pad, which is darling. It has lots of really cute designs inside, and I have taken one of the pages. Isn't that cute? This is the new catacorn paper, and one of the pages in the back here has a bunch of little tiny squares. So what's fun about this is you can cut them up and use different ones for different things, or you can use the whole page. I've decided to cut out some of the little squares and adhere them to a white cardstock background and cut them out. So I'm going to use these as kind of like a quilt background for my picture. So first, I've also cut out from the paper collection this XOXO paper, and I am going to adhere it to the left side of my pocket TN page. So this will be my grounded page, and then this will have my photo and journaling on it. So we will go ahead and adhere that down. I've just cut it to 3.5 by 5.5, which is the size of one side of the pocket TN notebook. And these papers are perfect for any any theme, any activity that you have going on, because there's so many different elements to them. We've got trees, we've got the wood grain, we've got houses and sun rays and lots of different things, florals. So you can pretty much use them for anything. So here you see I've cut up the little tiny squares and adhered them to the white cardstock, and I'm just going to create kind of like a quilted background just in the center of my page here, just to give it a little pop for my picture. So I will go ahead and adhere these down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the roller stamp from one of our trays. We have our stationery and embellishment tray that has lots of different things that you can use to create and decorate your pocket pages and regular TN pages and planners. So I'm just going to stamp the love right there. Just gives it a little pop of something fun. And then we've also got the 12 by 12 sticker sheets, which have a whole alphabet, which is white, which is great because you can paint them, you can watercolor them, you can spray paint them, you can use markers and change the colors of them, or you can use them as white. And I just want to grab one of these stickers over here to just add a little something something to my daughter's picture. Just right there. And there I've created, I can journal, go back and journal later right here, and I've got a whole page done for her. So there you go. That is a simple, quick little layout you can do to create in your pocket TN. And it's so much fun because my kids love to go through this and look at all the little journaling and little notes and little things that I've done for them.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!